What's going on, guys? Back again with another track day video in the Smurf once again, the R32. For those of you that want to just skip right to the action, go ahead and check out the timestamps in the description. You can skip to wherever you want to watch. Otherwise, welcome back. Doing another track day at the local track here in Vegas, at the Las Vegas Speedway outside road course with Speed Ventures this time. And this time I added a little foot cam for you guys viewing pleasure, another POV perspective from the inside of the car, along with a pedal cam this time. So before we get started with the POV onboard stuff, a little bit of context as to how the day went. On my very first session, I had a little bit of an oopsie. You might not really be able to tell from the video itself, but I actually hit that little curbstone on the left pretty hard, and I noticed that the car has started shaking. But after inspecting it, after coming off track and inspecting it, I didn't really notice anything too drastic. So pulled off track on the first session. Initially got black flagged for a passenger having a phone out.
Who wants to take a stab on why you were black flagged?
Oh, I'm not sure.
You had a phone out?
The first round,
huh?
put it away.
Yeah, once it's black flagged, we can't take the black flag away. So okay. Don't take it out no more, otherwise we take it away, okay? Alright,
sorry about that.
Release you down at the top.
I had no idea what was going on when they black flagged me, but luckily it was nothing serious. But on the coming down on the back straight, I hit a rumble strip that Ray over there specifically told me not to hit. And every time under braking, I started getting really bad vibrations. So I pulled off. I've been trying to replicate it, but it hasn't happened. I checked everything underneath, and everything seems to be nice and solid. Nothing's loose. So I don't know what was going on. Well, after looking more into it, it just turned out to be a warped rotor. But basically what was happening was it was making the car shudder really bad under braking. So I still drove the rest of the day, but I was pretty timid, braking a lot earlier and not quite as hard as I usually would. So the pedal cam stuff might not be quite as exciting as some people might think. But anyway, here is the footage. Hope you guys enjoy. guys, hope you guys enjoyed the POV with the new pedal cam setup. I'm still trying to figure out the quirks with that, but I think it worked out pretty decently. If you did enjoy this video and want to see some more, be sure to check out the rest of my channel. Got plenty of Skyline content along with some other gaming stuff as well. Hope you guys enjoyed. Take it easy. Thanks for hanging out. See you guys next time.